Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. My name is Lucky from Web System Network, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you for loops with C++. How does for loops applies in C++? Before we start, I want to give you a general format of a for loops. Well, a for loops is used to repeat a statement over a number of times, perhaps over a period of time, and then unlike a while loops, a for loops is also faster and efficient. So well, the general format of a for loops is is for int I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 12, and then I plus plus. What this means, just a minute, you can just write and I'll explain whatever I'm going to explain. By the way, let's just say web system network, and then we'll terminate that as well, end line. Right, what it means is this is an initialization. A for loops comes with these three parameters, 1, 2, 3. What this means is before the loop starts or before the loop begin, the counter variable, this is a counter variable. The counter variable is initialized to start at a value or at a specific value, but at this very moment I've initialized it to start at 0 because the computer understands as 0, and then to a maximum it will test this counter variable and compare it to this maximum. Is this counter variable going is it less than or greater than 12? And then it will increase how many this is called the increment, by the way. How many times is it going to increase? I'm going to be increasing it one time only. If it runs once, add 1 to it up until it reaches 12. If it reaches 12, if it's greater than 12, then quit the whole thing. And so let me run it, and so that you can see. I'm gonna save this as what should I save it again? Let me save it as a for loops. And so it displays web system network up until 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what about this? No, this is because computers start counting at 0. So it counts like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how computer counts. So this is at which occasion is this actually apply? Let's say you are doing some PHP or JavaScript, you did it or you learn it. I will show you my website where I've applied something such as this. This is my website for Web System Network where this thing is applied. As you can see, it's repeating over and over with some words on it. We are expert in web development. It will wait for some time and then display again. We are expert in mobile development. It will wait for some time and then repeat again. We are expert in software design. So that is where for loops comes in. It loops over how many times do you want it to loop? At this very moment we are looping about 12 times, but in real world it's more than this. Do you understand? So well, this is a way of repeating, because if we run it like this, there's no way it's going to run over, I mean, like here, because we haven't run, we're not in web development, but it just display everything once, because it just, this is how computer especially C++ do their stuff up until you learn another language, maybe VB.NET, of which we are also offering that course anyway in our website. So please, if there's any question or any comment, please leave it below, because I'll be replying to that. And by the way, if there's any suggestion, please also leave it below.